Enjoy a spin in a brand new Chevrolet Camaro right away. We're the Dallas, Texas top dealer, specializing in all new and certified pre-owned Chevrolet trucks, cars and SUVs in the North Texas area. We also serve all the surrounding communities around Dallas such as University Park, Hutchins, Balch Springs, Mesquite, Sunnyvale and Rowlett. We take pride in being the North Texas-based Chevrolet hub that works hard for our customers with helpful and unthreatening staff, unmatched accessibility, great customer service reputation. Call immediately if you're looking for a Chevrolet Camaro, or come in and visit us for a test joyride in the best deal on a Camaro today.